gonna be second part of the turbo build. I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of a few little jobs that I done when I unfortunately wasn't recording because the camera was off. The first thing that I done is I installed manifold. It's very simple, it's just a bunch of bolts, it's 9 bolts. I have also installed the RX8 blue injectors. It's very easy as well. You open these 2 bolts, pull the fuel rail a little bit back, and then all of them, one by one, they just pop out. The only thing you have to be careful is when you install new injectors, you have to lubricate these seals on each of them with oil, a little bit of oil. Otherwise you will rip them apart while putting them in, because they're very, very fragile, so just be mindful of that. Okay, it doesn't matter how much I try, it does not fit here. It's blocking on that bit, and also this coolant lane that goes to the bottom rod hose is also a little bit in the way. Now that the turbo is in, you can see what I meant. The bottom rod hose is gonna be a little bit in the way of a boost pipe. The down pipe is touching the coolant hose and it's very, very close to the brake line. I'm gonna need to sort something out with that issue as well, because it's gonna get way too hot, it's gonna overheat my brakes. So this is what I came with. I just inserted extension inside, disconnected the pipe, bended it upwards. I'm gonna put the pipe back and clamp it. That's the standard hard pipe, and this used to be a hose that goes onto the water pump on this side. I just flipped them over because this one's bent 90 degrees. The whole thing have only tiny little bit of play, but it's not gonna hit anything. And I bolted the down pipe in. Let me show you. So the down pipe is connected to the bottom, it goes just down there, and as you can see there's a little bit of an issue here. But I got flexi pipe and I got 1 meter of 2.5-inch stainless steel, and my friend Jack is gonna extend the flange. I was just about to wrap it up for today because it's getting cold and dark, but my boost controller arrived, so I'm just gonna quickly wire that in. Okay, the top of the actuator, the line goes just down there into the port number 2. Port number 3 is a filter, breather, and number 1 goes up here into the T-piece. One side of the T-piece goes inside of the turbo. Of course there is missing fitting, I just fit the pipe like that so you can see. And the third part goes at the back of the actuator. So the wiring goes just down there, then I extended it, it's the grey and white wires, all the way behind the coal, and connects to the standard wiring for charcoal canister. And that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. and let me know, do you enjoy this format?